welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. This is a bob video for the year 2024. This is not a tutorial. Again, this is not a tutorial. I am just showing you me doing my hair. The reason this is not a tutorial because I have done so many bob videos in the past. I will have a card attached if you want to check out any of those videos. So as you guys can see, my hair is 75% of the way complete. You guys, I kind of struggled back and forth in determining if whether or not I would install these braids, simply because if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know that I have really expressed to you guys that I have been under a lot of stress and pressure, which resulted in the nape of my head. My hair is growing back at what seems to be an extreme slow rate to me, and I think the root cause of that is stress, you guys. And so I really just did not want to put that type of tension on my hair, but because I have so many events going on for the month of May, it was imperative that I come up with something to do with my hair. In addition to, it is just getting hot now, and I really just did not want to wear a wig at all. So I just wanted something where my scalp can get some air, but doing all that I can to avoid putting any tension on the nape of my head. So I kind of just avoided inserting any braids in those areas that are my primary focus. Now FYI, you guys, this video is pre-recorded, so I did these braids maybe the last day of April or early May. It is now May 22nd, so you guys will probably see this video in June or late May, not really sure. You guys, oh my god, I am struggling. I am truly struggling. I am stressed to the max. If you guys do not know what stress is a state of mental or emotional strain or tension resulting from adverse or very demanding circumstances. You guys, I'm not going to get into the meat of what's causing my stressors, but if any of you have experienced stress, you know some of the causes of stress could be that you feel like you're under a lot of pressure, changes in your life, worried about something, your financial situation, so on and so forth. I'm just so tired. I'm just super tired. I'm super tired. I'm just highly overwhelmed and stressed, and I'm just trying to hold on. I do apologize to you guys. I have not been able to just really stay committed to releasing videos, you know, on a continuous basis, simply because I am still dealing with stress. I am struggling. But I know that I need to get these videos out because you guys make me happy. It makes me happy when I'm able to calm myself down long enough to do these videos. So, bob braids. I like doing bob braids because I don't have all this long hair, you know, down my back. And again, it's just so hot, so I don't want a whole lot of hot hair on my neck or down my back. So bob right now, because of the length of my hair, bob braids just, you know, allow me to get the look of the braids that I like, but I'm not super hot, and they're fun and they're cute. So this is one of the reasons why I do a lot of bob braids, you guys. Very simple. I think all in all it may have taken me about 3 maybe 4 hours to do these braids. I did mix the colors. And I believe I only used 2 packs of the dark hair, 2 packs with the 3 bundles, and one of the reddish color, 1 bag, 1 bundle of the reddish color that I used to kind of mix in. All in all, for this hairstyle, because I already had the red bundle, so all in all for this hairstyle, I think I paid $20 or less. I can't remember verbatim. So for me, that's affordable right now versus going to a professional paying over $100. Now, this is not my best work because I struggled doing this. It was a rush job, but it is done, and I will at minimum try to wear these for about a month or so just to get my $20 or less money's worth from these braids. If you are dealing with stress, please do not deal with it alone. Pray about it, seek counseling if that's something that you feel that you need. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one.